Welcome to my channel. In this lecture you will learn how we can make a SolidWorks extrude with sketch contours. A sketch contour is a sketch that has many loops, that has more than one loops. Join our SolidWorks advanced level training course on Udemy to learn more. You can see here is a sketch that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or more than 5 loops in this sketch. So just click on the sketch and go to the features, then select the extrude from SolidWorks features. From here you can see here in the selected contour options. So just you select the contours you want to extrude. If we bring our mouse here, you can see this region is highlighted. Similarly, if we bring our mouse on this closed loop, the region is highlighted, and you can see here, here and here. So we want to extrude these donuts, so select this one as well as this one. After that, add the depth of extrusion dynamically and again unselect this one and click OK. So we have created an extrude boss feature using the sketch contours. Just show your sketch and again select your sketch and go to the extrude features, and from the contour options just select this one, this loop, not this one or this one. So select this loop, and from this arrow you can define the depth of extrusion, that is 10 millimeter. Enter value 10 millimeter. So in this lecture we learned how we can make a SolidWorks extrude with sketch contour options. Thank you for watching this tutorials. Subscribe and share this video.